If you're struggling with severe dandruff, itchiness, dry scalp, or flakiness, you need to try this treatment. This treatment stops dandruff permanently because it targets the follicles and not just the surface. So stay with me as I walk you through on how to prepare and use this correctly. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to Everyday with Mandy. So on today's video, we're making something really effective and very powerful when it comes to treating dandruff permanently. So for this treatment, the first ingredient to be using is fresh neem leaves. And the second ingredient we'll be using is fresh papaya leaves. I couldn't lay my hand on a fresh papaya leaf, so I'll be using this ugly looking one. So feel free to use a fresh papaya leaves, okay? And the third ingredient we'll be using for this treatment as well will be ginger. I'll be using a fresh ginger. This treatment helps to kill dandruff-causing fungi, reduce scalp itchiness, remove flakes and buildup, and restore scalp balance naturally. So please watch till the end because knowing how to prepare this correctly and how to use it determines the result you're going to get. Into a bowl, I'm going to pour all my 3 ingredients because I'm going to be washing it. Yes, you need to wash to get rid of dirt and impurities. Neem leaf is one of the strongest natural antifungal and antibacterial herbs. It works by killing dandruff-causing fungi, reducing scalp inflammation, soothing itchiness, and cleaning clogged follicles. Neem does not just hide dandruff, it treats the cause of the dandruff. And this is why neem has been used traditionally for scalp infection, itchiness, and skin conditions. So to prepare this treatment, you're going to be needing like a handful of fresh neem. This treatment is super powerful and really effective, so I will urge you to also make your own research regarding these recipes. Papaya leaves, on the other hand, contains enzymes called papain, and this papain works by gently breaking down dead skin, removing stubborn flakes, and clearing product buildup. So for this treatment, papaya leaf must be used in small amount because too much papaya can dry out your scalp. Now, after washing all my ingredients, I'm going to put them into a blender and I will go in with a little amount of water just so it can aid this blender to blend it perfectly. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this into a smooth paste. So in case today is your first time coming across my page, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much for coming, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always coming back and for trusting me. Guys, please support my channel by liking this video, dropping a comment, and sharing to someone who might need it. After blending, you're going to pour this out. Please, it's really important that you use a cheesecloth to sieve this, to strain it, okay? If not, you're going to be having a lot of particles on your hair after washing this off. So you're going to be straining this. I didn't strain it because at the moment I couldn't find my strainer, so I had to use it this way. And trust me, I struggled to get all that particles off my hair. So please don't skip straining. It's really important. Use a stockings or a cheesecloth to strain these, and you'll be having a liquid like mixture and not this paste like, okay? Now let's go straight to how to use this treatment to get a better result. I'll be walking you through while I apply this paste like on my hair, on my scalp. Remember to strain your treatment, very important. So you're going to be applying the treatment focusing on your scalp. You're not going to be using the treatment on your strands. You're going to focus on the areas you have dandruff most importantly. Then you're going to apply it all over your scalp. I will advise you section your hair into different parts for easy application. So for the treatment, you can pour it into your spray bottle, or you're going to be using cotton wool to apply on your scalp. This treatment is meant to be used once in a week. That's if you have a very stubborn dandruff. And if not, if you don't have a very stubborn dandruff, then you're going to be using this treatment just once in 2 weeks. So no matter how stubborn the dandruff you have is, please and please do not use this daily, okay? Because it's going to irritate your scalp and cause you more harm than good. So stick to using this treatment just once in a week. And as your dandruff reduces, you can adjust it to using just once in 2 weeks. If you have a really sensitive scalp, after straining this treatment, you're going to be adding at least 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, as this is going to help make it calmer and help your scalp relax. Now, while using this treatment, within the first use or the first week, you should notice reduced itchiness and flakiness. And you will notice your scalp is going to feel calmer and cleaner. And within the second and third week of using this treatment, you're going to notice your dandruff reducing drastically. Yes, I said it's going to reduce drastically. Just try and be consistent, and you won't even believe the result you're going to be getting. Your dandruff is going to vanish. I mean, not just vanish, but vanish permanently. So after applying this treatment all over your scalp, you're going to give it a quick massage. Yes, massage your scalp so that it can penetrate better into your follicles. Then you're going to wrap your hair up with either a shower cap, a bonnet, or a plastic bag. And you're going to keep this on for about 10 to 15 minutes at max. Please don't exceed 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, you're going to be rinsing this off, and if you like, you can go in with a mild shampoo. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and let me know on the comment if you would like me to make the leave-in spray version of this treatment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye.